This is where the giants of the sky are born. Welcome to the Airbus Mega Factory.
It starts with a solid block of aluminum, carved by high-precision lasers.
Slowly, the shape of a massive propeller blade is revealed.
Precision is critical. Even a micron of error is unacceptable. The blade is polished to reduce air resistance. Safety markings are applied for visibility.
The blades are mounted onto the central engine hub.
Before flight, the propeller must survive the wind tunnel test.
Passed with flying colors, ready for installation.
It moves to join the heart of the plane, the jet engine. For lighter blades, carbon fiber sheets are layered. The mold is baked under high pressure to harden. Stronger than steel, lighter than aluminum. Perfect balance prevents vibration in flight.
Waiting for their turn to fly.
The massive body sections are flown in from across Europe. The massive body sections are flown in from across Europe.
These green sections will soon become the cabin.
Thousands of rivets are used to join the sections permanently. The wings, spanning 80 meters, arrive by special convoy. Laser alignment ensures the wings are perfectly level.
The massive landing gear must support 500 tons.
Windows are sealed to withstand high-altitude pressure. The tail fin, tall as a building, is lowered into place. Miles of cable connect the cockpit to the tail.
Insulation keeps the passengers warm at 30,000 feet.
The floor is built strong to hold seats and people.
Cargo doors I tested for perfect sealing.
The plane floats on air cushions to the next station. The cockpit glass is bird strike proof. The nose cone hides the weather radar.
The assembled plane enters the paint shop. The assembled plane enters the paint shop. Three coats of special paint protect the metal skin.
Inside, the cabin is transformed into a luxury space. Every inch of space is optimized for passengers. LED mood lighting sets the atmosphere. The kitchen modules slide in like Lego blocks.
Plumbing is connected for the lavatories.
The avionics come alive.
Testing the fly-by-wire controls.
The final touch, soft carpet.
Finally, the power plants. These engines produce 70,000 pounds of thrust.
The protective covers are removed. The giant bird sees sunlight for the first time.
Engine test. Systems are go. Taxiing for the maiden flight.
Full throttle. The Giant defies gravity. Another masterpiece of engineering joins the sky.
Safe travels, Giant.
From raw metal to the clouds. Absolute magic. Back to you in the studio. If you loved this flight, smash like and subscribe to Rising Story USA. Thank you for joining us on Rising Story USA.